So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length long hair. And the stylist does a nice layered shoulder length bob cut. And then here we have someone, she's rocking that fun copper color. And it looks like she is going quite short for this hair change. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm loving this bob makeover. Now, you guys know if you follow this channel, this is definitely one of my favorite hair trends for 2024, the copper color. It just looks so beautiful. Fresh tousled bob style. I love it. Wow, so we have someone here with very long waist length hair. She's got some grown out roots going here. The stylist chops that hair right off. It looks like she's getting a bob with bangs. Oh, and she embraced her darker color. So beautiful. Next up, we see someone with some grown out salt and pepper hair. She does a big chop here. Looks like she's cutting off all the black hair. Oh, she's getting like a 90s inspired pixie. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the amount of volume that she has with this cut. It does feature bangs in the front, and you can still see the salt and pepper color shining through. I love this. Very cute style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.